In this video, I show you how to add images to the Shotcut video editor. If this video helps you, please remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I help you learn open source software. Today, we're going to look over adding images into the Shotcut video editor. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just create a new project. I'm just going to call it test and put it into my normal videos folder. Now this is the default layout and the setup for Shotcut. So once that is created, click onto your playlist. You should see a empty playlist option over here, and then navigate in a Explorer folder to your images that you want to drag in. Now I've got some JPGs, and you just select and drag. They'll add into the playlist here. And I've also got some PNGs. So the difference between a JPEG and a PNG is a PNG can have a transparent background. The JPEGs won't have a transparent background. So depending on what type of image you import into your video will depend on how it displays in Shotcut. So just to make this a little bit clearer, I'm going to also add in a video example. Where are they? In here. And then I'm going to drag the video into my timeline. Okay, so if I play that now, it's just going to play the normal video. What I want to do is put some images over the top of the video. So I'm going to go to track operations and add a video track. And now I'm going to add dog into the top layer. And as you can see, the image applies over the top. I can move this around on the timeline to wherever I want it to be, and I can extend or shorten it as I need to. So first of all, that's pretty good, but let's imagine we didn't want all of this white space around. Now with a JPEG, there's not much you can do about that, but with a PNG, there is. So let me get rid of the dog file and let me put in the cars file. Now as you can see, I've trimmed round all of the cars already. So now you've got a white or transparent background and then just the images on top. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's just delete that once more and then add in the car JPEG. A car JPEG means there's no transparency. And then let's add in a flower PNG, which means there is transparency. They're the major two file types that you'll probably be using in Shotcut. There are others available. You can pretty much drag anything in and it will work. But if you stick to JPEGs for full images and PNGs for transparent backgrounds, then you're pretty much set to go. Now, before we finish, let's work out how we can actually resize these, because it's great having the image on the screen, but actually that's probably too big for what you want. So let's work out how we do that. The thing we need to do is make sure you've got the image selected in your timeline. So not up here, it could be anything up here, but in your timeline, you want it selected here. And then go to filters and click the plus and then search for size. You will have size, position and rotate pop up. Click onto it. And now you'll get these options here. And as you can see, you've got this block over the image. Now you can use this to resize and this button here in the middle to drag. Or you can use the settings over here to be more accurate if you need to have them at a certain dimension. And from here, you can also add in transitions and other effects, so your images can do different things and even move across the screen and stuff. But we'll go into that in another video. So I hope you found this helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have. If you've had any issues or anything that I've missed off, then please let me know. I'll make another video on it. Otherwise, thanks very much and I'll see you in the next one.